Okay, colonial restorations. Today I've glued this whole piece back up. You can see these giant breaks on this here. This was probably about 20 pieces. And I am just about done. I've got the top piece to go on, that rim there. And see, so it all went together really nice, almost seamlessly. So I have to glue in I've got this down to one piece now. It was two. There was a broken piece that went across here all the way up. That was busted. And now I'm ready to put it back on. So let me see if I can just glue it up. And the problem with this piece is the customer does not want to have any other work done to it. No filler, no coloring, no matching, that kind of stuff. So it's all just gluing, getting it to fit in just right. So let's see what we got here. Get this out of the way. Okay. Now, I know this thing was going on just perfect before. Just capping it. What?
The marker disappeared.
I've got it in my pocket. Okay. There we go. When it's on, and it's right. And this baby is not quite right yet. There we go. Now we got it. Okay. I'm just gonna hold it for a second. Make sure the seams are good across the top. Pretty darn good. There we go. Looks good. Looks good. That's our main brake rate. And that's one big brake right there. But the main compression brake, or was it? That ought to break off. Yeah, that's the compression brake right there. That's where it hit, right here. So what we're doing, just came out pretty darn nice. I kind of like that. So let me know what you think. I said, let me turn this around. Okay, so these are places that need all filling and touching up, painting, and there's the main brake. That's just a little bit of shadowing there. So, and that's due from glue. All the glues you have to use. There's one spot that usually comes out. But look at this here. All these breaks down the bottom and all the way up. That was a big break. So this is the only piece right here that didn't get touched. That's the big break. Okay, very good. So that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.